Oh, all right. Good morning, everybody. No fancy intros, just Dale Hollow. It's 6:58 in the morning. Feeling good out here. We're gonna get to casting, catching some fish. Starting out on a little flat here, right by the dam. If any of you have ever fished this lake, you probably know exactly where I'm at, which is fine. I don't really fish this spot much. Okay, that was my first cast. First cast, look at that. Oh my God! That is a freaking warmouth. Alright guys, literally, I know this is not a smallmouth, and no one really cares about these fish, but look at the little stomach on this thing. And you probably can't see it down his throat, but there's a crawfish. The antennae are sticking out. Literally first cast this morning on Dale Hollow, and this is a big freaking warmouth. So let him go, but started off with a tube this morning. So that's what we're gonna throw. It's a very overlooked technique. It's a technique that not a lot of people use these days, I feel like. So we're gonna start off with that and see if we can catch some fish early before basically I think this tournament is going on out here right now. Renegade Classic, Renegade Series, I don't know, something like that. So let's get to fishing, let's shut up and catch some more fish. We're gonna try to fish the 20 to 40 feet deep range. And it's depths that I'm not really comfortable fishing, so we're gonna try to fish that today. I don't know exactly even how much this tube weighs, but I'm assuming probably about a 1/4 ounce. Maybe a little bit more, I don't know. Hey ding dong, hey ding dong, get out of my way. I'll keep hitting you on the head. Alright, broke my tube off, so we're gonna switch to something else for a little bit here. And that's something else, probably gonna be this 1/4 ounce micro jig. That's the same freaking skeeter. This guy has flown past me like probably 6 times. And it's only 8:30. I swear. I just don't understand how some people fish that way. I guess that's just like the tournament mentality. Maybe that's why I suck at tournament fishing. Alright, time to move on, folks. Ow! Goodness. I'm about to fall in the water, break a rod. What is going on here? Alright, buddy. Watch out. Let's get back in here and see if we can figure out where these fish are. Look at that. That's a fish. It's probably a spotted bass. Nope, it's a smallmouth. Alright, it's a small one, but it's a start. There you go, buddy. Goodness gracious, this windy point right here is paying off. Sucks to fish wind like this, but it is what it is. Really? That's awesome, man. You're not gonna see much from today. All right, pretty much done for the day. I really just want to catch one more fish, because honestly, 2 fish, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make a video out of this. I'm gonna have to really stretch it. We're going to cast this thing out. Basically, I've been graphing over a lot of stuff, and I don't use my graph enough. It's a very bare bones, basic graph, but it's got 2D. It's got 2D sonar, and it's enough. It's enough. I use the Navionics map because that unit doesn't even have GPS, but really just trying to freaking get familiar with it. Not too much longer. We're gonna fish for another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes or so, and see if we can pull one off this point. Oh man, I just got rocked. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. I really hope that's a smallmouth. Absolutely rocked it. Please be a smallmouth. Oh yes, it's a good one. It's a freaking good one. Oh my goodness. Yes. I gotta get, oh man, yes. Get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. Oh god, it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay. Oh man. It's a good smallmouth. It's a super good smallmouth. Alrighty. What the heck? My phone's... Oh yes. Look at that. Oh man. Alright. Alright. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Look at that, Bo. That's a good fish. Alright guys. Look at that. Just a freaking gorgeous fish. Look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful fish. Pulled up to this last little point here, and honestly, I kind of graphed over it and figured I'd say what the heck and finish up the day here. And look at that. So let's get a release on this girl. So that fish came on the Fishalicious Shockwave from Missile Baits, 3.5 size on this little 3/8 ounce VMC hook here. That fish absolutely destroyed the bait that was on there. I saw it fly off, but he hit this thing like probably 2 or 3 times, and I kept on missing it. But thankfully we got him in. But we're gonna fish here a little bit longer now, and see if we can find one more of those. That'd be awesome. So let's do it. Voila! That right there was a sexy little thing. What's up? Good. Wearing them out? What was it? 5.5 pound smallmouth? Oh my gosh. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. That guy that I was talking to there at the end, he was from Ohio and came down to Dale Hollow to fish for a couple days and got him a pretty good fish. Got a 5.5 pound smallmouth. I'll leave a little picture for you guys to check out right here. But you know, good fish, obviously. The fish that I caught was, you know, probably around 3.5 pounds, that fish there at the end. But other than that, I caught 2 other fish. So, you know, the fishing is not on fire out at Dale Hollow. You know, don't let that keep you from getting out there. But it will be another month or so before these fish really start to bite. Still had fun though. I fished 10 hours and it's very rough to fish out there for that long and get 3 fish. But I did it and had a good time doing it. Went out there with Bo and me and him just had a day on the lake together. So thank you for watching. I will leave some links in the description below to the rods and the reels and the baits, yada yada yada. Trying to do it tactical bassin style. I want you guys to know what I'm using because a lot of people ask me, and I feel like I should inform you guys more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we will catch you guys next time. Peace.